Guys, stop scrolling for a second. Seriously, put the coffee down. We need to talk. Everyone is arguing about iPhone versus Samsung or iOS versus Android. It's boring. It's the same thing every year. But while we were distracted by that, two massive giants just started a completely new war that nobody is noticing. I'm talking about the future of how we use computers and phones. On one side, we have Huawei's HarmonyOS Next. On the other side, a secret project from Google that just got leaked called Aluminium OS. I've been reading through the leaks, the tweets, and the rumors all morning, and my mind is actually blown. This isn't just an update, this is a reset button. So, grab a snack, we are going deep. Let's break down HarmonyOS Next versus Aluminium OS and why your next laptop might not be a Windows machine or a MacBook. Okay, first, let's look at the challenger, HarmonyOS Next. You guys know the story, right? Huawei got banned from using Google years ago. They had to survive. For a while, their HarmonyOS was basically just Android with a different mask. It could still run Android apps. It felt familiar. But HarmonyOS Next? That next part is huge. I saw a tweet from @DevMike that summed it up perfectly. He said, HarmonyOS Next is not Android. It's not Linux. It is 100% pure code. No APKs, no trash. It's scary fast. Think about that. For the first time in forever, a phone company said, we don't need Android. If you try to install an Android app on this, it won't work. It's like trying to put a PlayStation disc in an Xbox. It just spits it out. Why do this? Because when you build your own house from the ground up, you don't have to deal with the old landlord's rules. They stripped out the old Android brain and replaced it with their own. The result? They claim it's 30% faster and uses 20% less battery. I saw another tweet from a user who tried the beta in China, @PandaTech, who posted a video and said, the animations on HarmonyOS Next make iOS feel slow. It's like the phone reads my mind before I touch the screen. That's the vibe. It's one system for everything. Your phone, your watch, your TV, your car, they all speak the same language instantly. It's not connecting via Bluetooth. It's like they are one brain in different bodies. Now, let's look at the other side, the secret weapon, Aluminium OS. This is the one that has the internet going crazy right now because Google didn't officially announce it like a big event. It popped up in job listings and code leaks. What is Aluminium? For years, Google had a problem. They have Android for phones, which is great, and ChromeOS for laptops, which is okay, but it's basically just a web browser. People want to do real work on tablets and laptops, but Android is bad on big screens, and ChromeOS can't do everything a PC can. Enter Aluminium. There was this viral thread I was reading earlier from a tech leaker @SiliconLeaks, and he posted, ChromeOS is on life support. Aluminium OS is the future. It's Android, but fully weaponized for the desktop. Windows should be worried. Basically, Aluminium OS is Google finally admitting, okay, let's make Android a real computer system. Imagine your Android phone, but with proper windows you can drag around, a real desktop, pro apps, and this is the key, AI baked into everything. And when I say AI, I don't mean, hey Google, what's the weather? I mean the system is AI. I saw a reaction tweet from @AIJunkie that said, if the rumors about Aluminium OS are true, the OS will know what you want to do before you do it. It's Gemini AI running the whole show, not just an app. So, while HarmonyOS Next is about speed and purity, Aluminium OS is about intelligence and merging. Google wants to kill the difference between your laptop and your phone. So, here is the breakdown, the clash of the titans. Number 1, the app situation. On HarmonyOS Next, it's a hard reset. You lose your old Android apps. You have to wait for developers to build new versions. It's a gamble. I saw @AppDevGuy say, developing for Harmony is a dream. It's so easy. But will the big US apps join? That's the million-dollar question. On Aluminium OS, it's the opposite. You keep everything. It's Android-based. You have millions of apps instantly, but now they run better on a laptop. @AndroidFanboy tweeted, finally, I can edit videos on my tablet without it feeling like a blown-up phone interface. Aluminium sounds premium. Number 2, the performance. HarmonyOS Next is shedding weight. It's lean, it's mean. It's built for performance because it carried no old baggage. Aluminium OS is adding muscle. It's taking Android and making it heavier, more powerful, more pro for expensive devices. Number 3, the vibe. Harmony is trying to be the Apple of the East. Closed garden, super secure, everything works together perfectly, but you play by their rules. Aluminium OS is trying to be the Windows of the future. Open, runs on many devices, but powered by Google's brain. So, why should you care? You might be thinking, Jay, I have an iPhone, I don't care. You should care, because competition breeds magic. For the last 10 years, iOS and Android have just been copying each other. Oh, you added a widget? Cool, I added a widget too. It's stagnant. But now, Huawei is proving you can survive without American tech. That scares the big companies. It makes them innovate. And Google is finally waking up and realizing that if they don't fix their tablet and laptop experience, the iPad will eat them alive. I found one last tweet that honestly gave me chills. It was from @FutureTechObserver. 2025 isn't about the phone in your pocket. It's about the OS that runs your life. Harmony versus aluminum is the Cold War of code. That's deep, right? Here's the bottom line. If you want something that feels brand new, buttery smooth, and you're willing to live in a new ecosystem, keep your eyes on HarmonyOS Next. It's the rebel. If you want your Android phone to finally turn into a supercomputer laptop that uses AI to do your homework, watch out for Aluminium OS. It's the empire striking back. I want to know what you guys think. Would you be brave enough to switch to an OS that has 0 Android apps if it was twice as fast? Or are you Team Aluminum? Drop a comment below. I'm reading the first 50 comments right now. Don't forget to hit that like button if you learned something new. I'll see you in the next one.